Hi and welcome to DataHawk. DataHawk is an Amazon analytics and optimization platform that helps brands, resellers, and agencies to increase sales, optimize margins, boost productivity, and gain insights when selling on Amazon, ultimately helping them be more competitive by being data-driven and implementing the right processes, strategies, and decisions. In short, think of us as a business management software for your Amazon business. In the home screen, you're able to see a snapshot of scorecards related to critical areas of your Amazon business. These are 5 solutions that constitute DataHawk's software suite that you can see on the left navigation menu. Search engine optimization to help you monitor, benchmark, and optimize organic search performance for any product on Amazon. Product data monitoring to help you monitor and benchmark changes in any product's data and performance and get alerted on it. Market research and intelligence to help you research and analyze markets and competitors and assess your performance in the competitive landscape. Financial analytics to help you get advanced and intuitive reporting on your sales and overall financial performance. Advertising analytics to help you get an advanced and intuitive reporting on your advertising expenditures and optimize your return on ad spend. To get started using DataHawk, you need to create a project and add relevant items to it, namely product ASINs and keywords or search queries. A project is a way for you to organize the way you work on DataHawk. It can be focused on a specific use case that you have, a product category, a brand, your entire product assortment, and so forth. It's really up to you. After creating your project, add products and keywords either from the Project Actions dropdown or from the Products and Keywords page of your project. Just copy and paste the items you want to add to your project and confirm. Alternatively, you can use a bulk CSV import tool from the Workspace Action dropdown on your home screen. DataHawk will then automatically start pulling and updating information about those items, giving you tons of analytics and insights about products and keywords. It may take a few minutes to a few hours for the data to be pulled for the first time. On DataHawk, keywords or search queries are used for market research and search engine optimization on Amazon. For instance, monitoring the organic keyword ranking of a product will require that you monitor both product and desired keywords in the same project. Products you added to your project will be displayed in a product list which contains high-level product information such as the number of sellers competing for the buy box, the product's price, its star ratings, its number of ratings including the reviews, its bestseller rank in the relevant department, its estimated monthly sales, and the competitive score that we compute at DataHawk. Clicking on a product allows you to access various analytic tools related to it, unveiling historical changes across multiple data points that you can display on a daily, weekly, and monthly view with your desired time period. The Product Matrix dashboard contains key numerical product data, including changes in pricing, ratings, and star ratings. The Buy Box dashboard monitors and analyzes the dynamics of the buy box as reflected by winning sellers. The Sales Rank dashboard tracks daily changes in the bestseller rank or sales rank across multiple categories. This is helpful to gauge the sales performance of any product on Amazon as compared to other products it competes with in the same category. Clicking on any category will redirect you to the bestseller tool, which lets you unveil the top 100 selling products in that category and analyze competitive dynamics. The Keyword Tracker monitors how the product ranks organically in the first 5 pages of the search result for any keyword that you add to your project. The detailed table shows the page position as well as the overall ranking. The Keyword Lookup and Keyword Generator tool are helpful with keyword research and lets you unveil potentially relevant keywords for your product. The Listing Analysis tool allows you to analyze the listings page in terms of textual and visual assets such as the product's title, description, bullet points, and images. You can monitor changes and assess the quality of listings. If you're on Seller Central, you're able to monitor sales and advertising metrics on an individual ASIN level. You have the ability to add manual annotations to keep track of manual actions you're doing that may affect your performance. If you're on the right paid plan, you're able to export data to a spreadsheet, both on product level as well as for all products in your projects or even the entire account. Get notified on changes occurring on any product on Amazon is made easy with our alerting tool. You can set up alerts on one or multiple products or one or multiple projects. This follows with an email notification where a change has been detected based on your selected triggers, and it grants you an access to a report highlighting those changes. There are multiple custom triggers that you can choose from. You can also set up scheduled reports to be sent automatically via email to you or specific recipients at desired frequency with spreadsheets containing data that you want to report on. The keywords you added to your project will be displayed in the keyword list, which contains high-level competitive information such as the median price of the product ranking organically for the search result, their median start ratings, their median number of ratings including reviews, the estimated monthly search volume for the search query, and the competition score that we compute. Clicking on keyword allows you to access various analytic tools related to it. You can see and browse through products that are ranking organically for that keyword while assessing key data around them, apply your desired additional filters, and start tracking the product you want. You're able to quickly see how all products in your project are ranking for that keyword. And you can analyze the competitive dynamics around the keyword even by individual pages in terms of pricing, ratings, and star rating data points corresponding to the products ranking organically for it. On top of being able to run a granular analysis of data on an individual product, keyword, or category level, DataHawk also grants you access to a set of executive dashboards that helps you work on massive data sets at once by looking at a specific project or entire account, hence facilitating the analysis and monitoring of various performance metrics in different areas of business. The Product Analytics dashboard provides an overview of products' related metrics, including the bestseller rank, ratings, star ratings, and buy box reseller, often with a detailed breakdown of how the data is distributed by ranges. The Search Engine Optimization dashboard provides an overview of metrics related to organic search performance and product listing quality. The Advertising dashboard provides an overview of advertising-related metrics such as advertising expenditures, impressions, clicks, conversion rates, and ad-generated sale. And the Finance dashboard provides an overview of sales-related metrics such as orders, units sold, and sales volume. The Settings section allows you to access your account details. This is where you are able to change your account information, invite other members to your workspace, select or change a paid subscription based on parameters you choose, download invoices, and configure integrations. By using DataHawk like thousands of organizations that trust us, you're getting armed with the right tools and data-driven processes to grow and protect your business on Amazon. Welcome to DataHawk.